Welcome to Planit. I'm Laura.
And I'm Damien.
Today, we'll be covering two key topics. First, what's needed to set up cabinet vision in your business when integrating a machine.
And second, what's required and involved with CNC machine connections. Whether you're considering buying a machine or have already made your purchase, this video will walk you through the entire journey from start to finish when it comes to integrating cabinet vision with your CNC machine. We'll also cover the essential tools and knowledge you'll need for a smooth transition.
With over 40 years of experience in CAD/CAM software, Planit has evolved alongside the industry, moving from traditional pen and paper methods to cutting-edge software solutions. Our Planit certified team has successfully integrated thousands of machines and built strong partnerships with leading manufacturers. We understand that seamless software integration is crucial to your business's success and efficiency, and we're here to support you every step of the way. The first step in our partnership is getting to know your business. Every joinery operation is unique, and those differences are what set you apart. If you're new to cabinet vision, training with our Planit certified team is essential. The key part of mastering the software is configuring your construction methods, defining how your cabinets are assembled, including drilling techniques like mortise and tenon. Setting these up correctly is critical to ensure a smooth, efficient assembly process. Once you've received the necessary training and are confident using cabinet vision to build your cabinets, we can begin the integration process. By this stage, you'll already be using cabinet vision's core functions, generating accurate cutting lists, reporting, shaping, and optimization. With precise cut lists aligned to your production needs, we can move forward with the full integration, streamlining your workflow and maximizing efficiency.
The next phase involves identifying the specific type of CNC machine you plan to integrate with cabinet vision. Our software is compatible with a wide variety of CNC machinery, including flatbed routers, point-to-point machines, beam saws, drilling machines, chop saws, and material handling systems. Each type of equipment has its own unique configuration and requirements, so understanding the machine you are working with is essential to ensure a smooth integration. For this discussion, we will focus on flatbed routers, which are one of the most common CNC machines added to joinery businesses. These machines typically have simpler configurations, making them an ideal starting point for the integration process. With this information, we can assess the level of complexity involved and determine the estimated time required for the integration. This will include connecting the software to the machine, thoroughly testing the system, and ensuring that everything is configured properly. Our goal is to have your system fully prepared for production as soon as the integration is complete, ensuring a seamless transition from design to manufacturing. To facilitate a smooth and efficient integration process, we will need to gather several key details about your CNC machine. For this information is essential for customizing the integration to meet the specific requirements of your setup. Critical details include the manufacturer of the machine, the presence and number of tool changes, and whether the machine is equipped with a multi-drill head, as these factors directly affect the system's configuration and functionality. Additionally, we need to confirm whether you plan to print labels at your workstation for part identification, or if your machine includes an auto-loading system with a label applicator that is controlled by the machine itself. Understanding these aspects is crucial for ensuring proper part tracking and organization throughout the manufacturing process.
Once we've gathered all the necessary details, we'll create a comprehensive proposal outlining the products and services required for your integration. This structured approach helps us efficiently plan and execute the process, minimizing any potential challenges and ensuring a seamless, stress-free experience for you. If you, as a business owner, will also be operating the machine, you can serve as the main primary contact throughout the integration. However, if your shop has a dedicated machine operator or production drafter that's managing machine operations and production planning, it's often more efficient for them to take on this role. This keeps communication clear and ensures that the right people with the necessary technical expertise are directly involved. We also need to know which version of cabinet vision you're using. Our integration process is optimized for the latest software features, so ensuring compatibility will help us streamline the connection between cabinet vision and your CNC machine. This step minimizes potential compatibility issues and allows us to tailor the integration to your specific production workflow. As part of the integration process, we will need to determine whether your cabinet vision software is set up as a networked or a standalone system. In a network setup, all data, settings, and configurations are stored centrally on a server, allowing multiple users to access and work with the same information simultaneously. This setup facilitates collaboration across different workstations and ensures that updates to settings and configurations are automatically synchronized across the network. In contrast, a standalone installation operates independently on individual machines, with data and settings stored locally on each workstation. Standalone versions require manual synchronization if updates or shared settings need to be distributed across multiple devices. Understanding your system setup is crucial, as the integration process varies depending on whether you have a networked or a standalone configuration. By aligning our approach with your specific infrastructure, we can optimize the connection between Cabinet Vision and your CNC machine, ensuring a smooth and efficient integration that fits your operational needs.
The next step in the integration process is to identify the specific type of CNC machine you wish to integrate with Cabinet Vision. By gathering this information early in the process, we can ensure that all necessary configurations are accounted for, minimizing the risk of errors during integration. The more advanced the machine, the more detailed the information we will need to fully customize the integration to suit your specific needs. While starting with a basic router setup provides a solid foundation, we will work closely with you to gather all relevant details as the complexity of your machine increases, ensuring that the integration is comprehensive and seamless. To ensure a successful integration, it is essential for us to gather specific details about your machine, such as its brand, model, serial number, and controller type. The controller, which is a computer responsible for managing the operations of your machine, plays a critical role in the integration process. Knowing the controller model allows us to tailor the integration to ensure smooth communication between your machine and Cabinet Vision. If you are unable to provide these details at the outset, there is no need for concern. We can still proceed with the integration process and gather this information at a later stage. Additionally, it is valuable to know whether you are utilizing any alternative CAM software, as this can offer insight into your machine's current setup. Having access to G-code examples from the CAM software you are using will help us align the integration with your existing system, ensuring compatibility and reducing potential issues when your machine is running with Cabinet Vision. As we continue, we'll ask for the number of tool changes, the machine distributor, and contact information. This helps us know who to reach out to if we have any questions or issues during the integration process. As part of the integration process, we will also assess the readiness of your software and the proficiency of your team. Specifically, we will inquire whether the machine operator or production drafter is already familiar with Cabinet Vision and if they have received proper training in using the software. It is essential that the operator is well versed in Cabinet Vision's functionalities to ensure a smooth transition to CNC-based manufacturing and to optimize the machine's performance. Accordingly, we will confirm the status of your machine, whether it has been delivered, installed, and is ready for integration. If the machine has not yet arrived, we will need to know the expected delivery and installation timeline so that we can plan and schedule the integration accordingly. This helps us coordinate the process efficiently, ensuring that all necessary components and resources are in place for a seamless integration when the machine is on site and fully set up. If your CNC machine is equipped with advanced components such as a multi-drill head, saw aggregate, or auto-loading features, it is essential for us to gather comprehensive details about these specific parts to ensure precise and effective integration. This includes identifying which tools are assigned to each spindle, understanding the tool offsets, and determining the orientation of the machine's heads. These details are critical for accurately configuring the system and ensuring optimal performance. Additionally, visual documentation, such as detailed photos or configuration layouts of the drill block and other complex components, will greatly assist us in understanding the specific setup of your machine. This visual information allows our team to more effectively plan the integration and address any potential challenges related to tool replacement, machine movement, and overall functionality. The more detailed and accurate the information you provide, the smoother and more efficient the integration process will be. Once we have confirmed the specifications and components of the machine, we will proceed to a detailed discussion of G-code. G-code is a programming language used to control the machine's actions, including precise instruction on movement, cutting depth, feed rates, and specific tasks such as drilling holes. If you already have G-code files generated for your machine, it will be essential for us to review them thoroughly. This ensures that our post-processors are fully compatible with your system's requirements and can generate accurate, optimized toolpaths for your operations. If you are unsure how to locate or generate G-code for your machine distributor or supplier should be a valuable resource in assisting you with this process. They can provide guidance on accessing existing G-code or help you generate the necessary files from your specific setup. Once we receive the G-code required, we will thoroughly review it to ensure that it's correctly formatted and fully compatible with our post-processing system. This step is crucial in confirming that the machine will operate as intended, with accurate toolpaths and optimal performance throughout your operations.
Once your order is received, our scheduling team will immediately begin coordinating machine connection and software integration. If you're new to Cabinet Vision and haven't yet configured the software, our Planit certified production solutions expert will guide you through the entire setup. This includes helping you acquire essential components like the machine catalogue and flatbed router post, which are crucial for establishing seamless communication between Cabinet Vision and your machine. These components ensure precise control, smooth operation, and optimal efficiency during the integration. Our goal is to have your system fully configured and running seamlessly from the start. If you operate multiple machines, each may require its own custom post to ensure proper communication with Cabinet Vision. Once the software setup is complete, we'll coordinate the scheduling for both integration and training sessions. The time required for integration depends on the complexity of the machinery. Simpler machines may take just a few hours, while more advanced or customized systems may require additional time to ensure everything runs smoothly. Our team will work closely with you to create a realistic timeline and ensure both integration and training are handled efficiently.
You are now prepared to advance to the machine connection process, a critical step in integrating your machinery with Cabinet Vision. This process involves a product solutions expert who will either remotely access your system or visit your site, depending on your specific requirements. Throughout the process, the product solutions expert will work closely with your designated business contact and the machine technician to ensure seamless communication and collaboration. Once communication channels are established, the product solutions expert will begin configuring the computer responsible for generating ANSI files for your machine. This computer serves as the bridge between your design software and your machine, ensuring that the instructions sent to the machine are accurate and optimized for performance. The first step in the connection process is to create a profile for your machine within Cabinet Vision's machine catalog. This involves defining the machine's specifications, compatibilities, and parameters within the software. The product solutions expert will work closely with your appointed contact and the machine technician to ensure that every setting, such as access limits, tooling configurations, and operational parameters, accurately reflects the physical attributes and functionality of your machine. This step is crucial to ensure that the software and the machine are perfectly aligned. Once the machine profile is established, the next step is to configure all necessary tooling. This includes creating profiles for tools such as flat and shaped routers, vertical drill bits, and the multi-drill head. Each tool is meticulously defined with the system to ensure it operates correctly during machining processes. The product solution expert will verify that all tooling parameters such as spindle speeds, feed rates, and tool dimensions are accurately entered and aligned with your machine's capabilities. With the machine and tooling configured, the process moves to physical testing. The product solutions expert will provide a Planit certified Cabinet Vision machine test file, which contains parts designed to evaluate the machine's performance. These test parts are engineered to demonstrate various machine movements and operations across the X, Y, and Z axes, ensuring that the machine can execute complex tasks with precision. Following the initial movement and operation tests, it is recommended to test a full cabinet or a small portion of a job. This step is critical because it allows you to validate not only the machine's mechanical performance, but also its integration with your existing construction methods and hardware. Since the new machine has been added to your Cabinet Vision database, this is an opportunity to fine-tune every detail of the assembly process, ensuring that the machine operates seamlessly within your production workflow. If your setup includes an order labeling machine, The product solutions expert will also design test labels for proper orientation and application from the label applicator head. This ensures that labels are applied accurately and consistently during the manufacturing process. If you do not have an auto labeling machine, you will still be able to print S2M labels using your office printer. This system supports 8 per page label reports, allowing you to generate and apply labels manually while maintaining efficiency. The machine integration process goes beyond physical setup and testing. It also involves validating the generation of G-code and the language used to control the machine's movements. The product solution expert will ensure that the G-code is correctly generated, sent to the machine, and executed without errors. Additionally, the process includes verifying label application and ensuring that the information on each label is clear and accessible for team members involved in the manufacturing process. This step ensures that every aspect of the workflow from design to production is optimized for accuracy and efficiency. Once all tests have been conducted and the results meet the expectations of all parties involved, including your team, the machine technician, and a product solutions expert, the machine connection will be considered successfully completed. This marks the official integration of your machine into the Cabinet Vision ecosystem, ready to enhance your production capabilities with precision and efficiency. This comprehensive process ensures that your machine is not only connected, but also fully optimized to meet your specific manufacturing needs, delivering consistent, high-quality results.
We're here to support you every step of the way, making sure the process is seamless, tailored to your needs, and optimized for maximum performance.
Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you and helping you achieve a smooth integration with Cabinet Vision.